In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an answer key into Google Forms. This is a really useful skill if you're planning to create quizzes or tests using Google Forms. It allows you to automate grading and provides instant feedback to your respondents, making the entire process smoother and more efficient. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, begin by opening Google Forms. You can do this by navigating to forms.google.com or by accessing it through Google Drive. Once you're in, you have the option to start with a blank form or choose from a template. For our purposes, starting with a blank form gives you the flexibility to create everything from scratch. After opening your form, it's crucial to turn it into a quiz. To do that, click on the Settings gear icon located in the top right corner of the page. From the pop-up menu, select the Quizzes tab and then toggle the button to Make this a quiz. This action allows you to assign point values and set up an answer key for each question. Now it's time to start adding your questions. Click on the plus sign icon to add a new question. You'll see a variety of question options like multiple choice, short answer, or checkbox. Choose the one that fits your quiz design best. After typing in your question and potential answers, click on the answer key option. Here, you can set which answer is correct by simply clicking on the correct option. This step is also where you assign point values for each question, so decide how many points each question is worth. Once you've set the correct answer, don't forget to click Done. Repeat this process for each question you want to include in the quiz. A useful tip is to shuffle question order by enabling this option under the Settings menu, which helps ensure that each quiz attempt is slightly different and helps maintain test integrity. One additional feature worth mentioning is the feedback option available in the answer key settings. By clicking on Add Answer Feedback, you can provide respondents with custom messages for both correct and incorrect answers. This immediate feedback can be very valuable in a learning environment, as it guides the respondent towards understanding the material better. After setting up all your questions and answers, you're ready to preview your form. Click the eye icon to see how the quiz will appear to your respondents. This step is crucial for catching any mistakes before your form goes live. If everything looks good, share your form via the Share button in the top right corner. Simply copy the link or send it directly to your respondents. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to putting an answer key in Google Forms. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating effective quizzes that streamline the grading process and enhance the learning experience. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video.